The UN Convention on Women's Rights, CEDAW, has existed for 40 years, since 1979. What is CEDAW about, and why is it important for Switzerland? CEDAW is the abbreviation for the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. This might sound complicated, but the message is simple. Women around the world should be able to achieve their rights and be protected from discrimination. 189 countries, including Switzerland, have committed themselves to implementing this goal. On paper, women and men in Switzerland have the same rights, even without CEDAW. This has been written into the federal constitution since 1981. In everyday life, however, women are often disadvantaged, whether at work, in the family, or in the asylum center. Despite legal equality, not everyone has the same opportunities to shape their lives. For example, women have lower wages and pensions than men and are significantly more likely to be affected by domestic violence. There are far fewer women in management positions than men. What they do, for example, care work, is often not visible and is considered of less value than work done by men. What benefits can CEDAW offer? Firstly, CEDAW defines what equality really means in all areas of life. With CEDAW, gender equality is an international obligation. Secondly, CEDAW makes it clear that gender equality can often only be achieved through positive action. This means that disadvantaged women are given preferential treatment until actual equality is achieved. This is not discrimination against those who have been at an advantage until now. Thirdly, CEDAW ensures monitoring. This means that Switzerland must regularly present its progress in a country report. This is also an opportunity for civil society, especially for non-governmental organizations, NGOs, working for women's rights. In so-called shadow reports, they show where, in their view, action is needed. The international experts on the CEDAW committee compare and examine the reports and make recommendations to Switzerland. These represent a solid foundation from which committed people and NGOs can make concrete demands on policies, the administration, and the justice system. Official Switzerland is thus monitored from both inside and out. This strengthens women's rights. Therefore, let's make use of CEDAW in Switzerland as well, to ensure that all genders can lead their lives enjoying equal rights.